Hi, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to install the Astra theme in WordPress in two different ways, manually and through the WordPress theme directory. Hi, my name is Fran, and recently some people came to me saying they couldn't find the Astra theme in the WordPress directory to install, like I showed in my previous video, how to build a website for dummies. In case you cannot find it, I checked around, and yesterday I couldn't find Astra theme in the WordPress directory. Today I found it again. So I'm going to go through the two ways that you can install any theme in WordPress. Most paid themes cannot be installed through the WordPress directory, and at least the good ones that have their own library of themes. And I'm going to show you how you can install any of these themes manually into your WordPress website. Alright, so here we have a fresh WordPress installation. Here's the dashboard, and we're going to find here the appearance and go to themes. This is how you usually find the free themes and even some paid themes in WordPress. You would usually click and add new theme, and this is the way that I taught before in my how to build a website tutorial, but apparently sometimes the Astra theme is not showing up here, and I'm going to show you a different manner to install it. So once you go here to search themes, you'll just search for Astra, and as you can see here in this case, Astra will show up, and it's the install button is right here. You just have to click install. So yesterday somebody came to me and they were having problems with their Astra theme, and I realized that they weren't really using Astra, they were using Astral theme because it was the only one showing in the search. So they installed the Astral theme without even realizing that it wasn't Astra. I went and I searched for Astra as well in the WordPress directory, and I couldn't find it for some reason. Today it's here. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below to an instant download of Astra. In case you cannot find it in the library, you can download it from the description, and then I will show you now how to install a downloaded theme. Once you click on my link, you will find this page, and you'll just click here on download, and you'll start your Astra download without any subscription or anything. And now we'll go here to again to appearance, themes, and we'll see this again the theme installation dashboard. So we'll go to add new theme again, and here instead of searching for the theme we want, we are going to upload the theme, and it asks us to either drag a file here or choose a file. It doesn't matter which one you do. You can just for example, I downloaded it here, show in folder. It's on my desktop, but we'll just drag it here, or you can just click here and search for the file. Alright, so now that we have our zip file here, you can just click on install now, and our theme will be installed manually. You can use this same method with any paid theme you use. For example, I use two paid themes, both Divi and Thrive themes. You can do the same method to install these themes. You download them once you purchase them, and then you come here to upload, and you just upload your theme. So our Astra is installed and it's ready to be used. Once you install your Astra theme, just make sure you come here to appearance and themes, and you have to activate it, because we installed it manually, it didn't instantly activate. So I still have 2019 active by default, so now I need to activate Astra. So I'll just click here and activate, and now my Astra theme is active. So unless you know how to code, you are still very limited by your theme in what you can design, in the way your website looks. So as you saw, our website right now looks something like this. There are things I can change here within the Astra customization options, but in order to design exactly what I want, I will need a visual builder. So it's a plugin that will allow me to drag and drop elements and place them wherever I want. So anybody can use a visual builder and install and design a beautiful website. There's also something you can use, which is the starter templates from Astra, which you can see them here, starter templates. These will get you started because they'll get as they're called, Astra starter templates. These for beginners are perfect because you don't know what to put where, you don't know exactly even how you want your website to look. So you can go here to starter templates and you just choose a template you want to start working with. Alright, so that's pretty much how to install your theme manually and from the WordPress directory. If you want to actually design your whole website, you'll need a plugin and a drag and drop designer plugin. And I will show you in the next video how to actually design a beautiful website from scratch with using only some free plugins. If there's anything you're missing from this video, just leave me a comment below, ask me anything and I will make sure to answer and even make a video if you need some help with something specific. If this video was helpful to you, just make sure to give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this and to learn how to earn from the content you create. For now, thanks for watching and see you on the next one.